Whoever finds his life will lose it. Whoever loses his life for my sake will find it. You lose your life by being slaves to your cell phone, slaves to drugs, slaves to sex, slaves to gambling, slaves to drink, and all the other worldly things. Yun na lang ang pagtutuunan mo ng pansin mo, yun na lang ang nagiging kahulugan ng buhay mo. So let us pray today that we really understand who we are. Sino talaga tayo? Bakit narito tayo sa mundo na kasama ng 2 trillion galaxies? Ang lawak ng mundo. Tayo tuldok na paliit na tuldok na lang ang ating mundo. At tayo tuldok din sa mundong ito dahil napakalaki ng planet Earth. Pero narito ka at